Hey everyone, it's Sel. Welcome back to my channel. Recently I decided to pick up the Cricut card mat and insert cards, and I've been playing around with them, so I wanted to show you guys the easiest way to make greeting cards on your Cricut. First, go to Design Space and search up insert cards. This is the easiest way to find all of the insert style cards that are available on Cricut Design Space. You can also filter it from all categories down to Cricut Access. It'll weed out any of the ones that aren't made for the card mat, and then you're going to pick the one that you want, and it really is that easy. It has it all done for you. You just hit make it, load the card into your card mat, and you're ready to go. So I made two. I made this happy birthday one, which was like kind of a horizontal layout, and I also made this vertical wedding card, which I thought was beautiful with the holographic foil that we're going to be using, and we are ready to go. Now let's take a look at the actual product. So here is the Cricut 2x2 card mat. I picked this up at Michael's in Canada, and here are the insert cards. I grabbed these off of Amazon.ca. They have this pack and they also have the glitter pack. A lot of people I know don't like glitter when they receive gifts, so I just picked up the holographic one instead. You get 4 different colored cards, and then you get your insert, which is the holographic silver in this pack, and you get white envelopes to go with. So I'm showing you guys here. This is the holographic one, and then you have all the cards that hold the holographic. So there's like a peachy pink and then a sky blue, and then you get sort of like a mint green and a darker fuchsia pink. So I thought this set was very versatile. There's 2 pink ones and then 2 neutral ones, and you can use these colors for basically any occasion. I'm going to be using the pink one for the happy birthday and the blue one for the wedding. So here are the envelopes. They're decent quality and they're just white. And as you can see on the package here, you get 42 cards and 42 envelopes and 42 of the holographic inserts. And these retailed for about $16 on Amazon, so definitely a great deal for these. So here is the card mat. I am just taking it out of the package. What it does is it has a little layer in the mat that you put the backing of the card behind that protects it so that you can cut the front without cutting the back. And I just want to give you guys a little PSA. There is a piece of plastic protecting the sticky part, just like a regular Cricut mat. I forgot to take mine off, so my card had nothing to stick to, so just don't forget to take that cover off so that you will not mess up your cut as much as I did. This product is a game changer for me because that is literally how easy it is. I stuck the pen that I needed in, and then I threw it through the machine. It took about 5 minutes to cut it all together because it had so many intricate cuts, but literally once it's done, all you have to do is weed, and then you pop the holographic insert into the front of the card, and that's literally all there is to it. It turned out completely amazing. I'm so excited to give this card away. The wedding one turned out even better, and they're just beautiful. So if you are looking to purchase the mat and the cards, I definitely recommend. It is a super beginner craft, and everyone will wonder where you got such beautiful handmade cards.